Morning team, today we're going to be taking you through a bathroom renovation up here in Noosa. Working with Fraser today. Currently we're just taking out the bathroom fittings. Plumbing's all disconnected. Shortly we're going to show you how we're going to remove these tiles. Then we're going to remove the cornices, plasterboard and lovely job. Here it is, so we've ripped up the tiles from the floor. All the plasterboard is off the walls. Next step is we're going to flood the floor with ornate. And then what we'll do is we'll line the walls with villaboard and then we'll waterproof. We'll see you shortly.